Comes on the same day as students at West Smith Station Elementary return to school for the first time after a grueling week where their lives were forever changed. CBS 42's Jesslyn Adams live back in Lee County tonight with how students handled that first day back. Jess.
Yeah, Jack, so students could not play on the playground as usual. You can see there's still basketball goals down and plenty of debris still all over their playground. But the teachers and students made do on their first day back, saying they enjoyed seeing each other today. This is what West Smith Station Elementary School looked like 1 week ago. Students returned Tuesday to their playground looking like this. Unable to play here, the coaches set up parking lot PE.
It's been a very good day. We've been very busy,
keeping the students active and entertained.
I was happy.
First graders drew up blueprints for a new playground. Students also participated in a special art class.
We can place a paintbrush in approximately 850 students' hands to paint something meaningful or perhaps just take time to heal.
The students were prompted to paint their heart in Lee County.
We tell them, think about the things that inspire you or that bring you happiness, but also the things that bring you peace and solace.
Cheerful reunions.
I was ready to come back to see my friends and learn more.
And teachers seeing their students for the first time since the tornadoes. The Lee County School is showing the world what it means to be And over in Beauregard today, the Auburn University basketball team in Albee paid a visit to students as they were coming in. You can see that full video in the CBS 42 News app as well as our Facebook page. Reporting live in Smith Station, I'm Jesslyn Adams for CBS 42 News. Local coverage you can count on.
Jesslyn, thank you.